Okay, I gotta show you what might be my favorite build from SEMA 2025 because this thing, it's a full-size Baja trophy truck built entirely out of cardboard. No engine, no frame, just boxes. But not just any boxes, Method race wheel boxes. Here's what happened. Method decided to flip the script this year and go beyond the box, literally. Get this, they used over 10,000 square feet of their boxing material.
Holy shit.
Stacked, shaped, sculpted into a one-to-one trophy truck. And this took 200 hours to design, engineering and hands-on assembly to make it happen, and to tell a story that goes deeper than just wheels. Because think about it, every Method box is more than just packaging. It shows up in your garage with a new build in mind. Maybe it's the start of your first off-road project, or is it the next upgrade before race day? That Method box means something. So Method turned that idea into an actual build. And what they came up with, it's one of the most creative and meaningful displays I've ever seen at SEMA. It was parked in the West Hall if you were lucky enough to see it in person. And I know it's not a running vehicle, it's a reminder of what the off-road world is all about. The stories behind the gear, the late nights in the driveway, the trail winds, and the busted knuckles getting there. So yeah, my favorite build of SEMA 2025 wasn't made of steel or even carbon fiber. It was made of cardboard, but the message, solid. Let me know what your favorite SEMA build was this year. I'd love to check it out. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.